Wait, no way! Wait, what? Holy moly! Wow!
Happy birthday!
Wow! Wait, really? Oh my god! Happy birthday, Chef!
Happy birthday, Nate! Look at how cute Gracie!
Happy birthday, Nate. Thanks for being a big brother.
Oh, that was so sweet. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Every year for 5 years. We've been together on your birthday. Happy birthday!
It's your birthday!
Number 6,
It's your
7,
birthday!
8,
It's your
20, 30,
birthday!
50, 100 more years.
Hey, happy birthday, buddy! It's good to see you, man. The big one out there.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Nathan. We're here for you because you're a special little boy. Just like special little Gracie girl, you're a special little boy. Happy birthday, Nate.
Happy birthday, Nate.
Hey, Nate. Happy birthday, buddy. Hey, Nate. It's really great being here with you.
Wait, where is he?
I don't know what he's doing. I'm on. Hey, Nate. This is great times with you.
Happy birthday.
Love you, bro.
Nate, I love you. I'm gonna oil you down for your birthday with some coconut oil.
That's
I'm really looking forward to it.
Happy birthday, Nate. Love you, buddy.
Happy
birthday.
Nate. It's your birthday.
Happy birthday, Tim.
Happy birthday. Nate, I love you, buddy. Happy birthday. One thing I love about you throughout all the adventures we've had with the public, with our private friends, or just us two, it's just you're always your authentic, genuine self, and you are a force of magic for so many people. Even with just random strangers, you are always magical to them. So thanks for being who you are.